How to create a variation listing with drop-down on eBay. I am going to show you how you can easily create a variation listing with a drop-down on eBay. Click Create a Listing on Seller Hub. Select Single Listing in the drop-down menu. Search for the correct category for the items that you are going to list. On the listing description page, enter all the details. Click the Create Variation button. If you don't see the Variation button, this is normally because of two reasons. Listing with variations is not available in this particular category. Variations only work with fixed price listings. They do not work with auction style listings. So scroll down the page and select fixed price for the format in the selling details section. After clicking the Create Variation button, you see the variation page. Add the attributes that you want to appear on your listings page and select options for each attribute according to your stock. Review the variations to make sure your inventory matches exactly with the quantity selected for each variation. You can delete variations for which you are missing inventory. Add pictures, add quantities and prices, which can be different for each variation combination of your item. At the same time, your payment methods and shipping costs must be the same.